Let's get to the weather here. The flooding there in central Texas was kind of a confluence of a bunch of different things happening. It brought a lot of water in a short period of time. Remeisha Shade is watching that. She is in the weather center tonight. Hello, Remeisha.
Hello, Tom. Well, we had a disturbance, a little circulation across central Texas that just kept bringing in the moisture, dumped a lot of heavy rain, and we actually had some remnant moisture from what was left of what used to be Tropical Storm Barry mixed in there as well. So a lot of rain fell in a short period of time, and it just ended up in a horrible, catastrophic flooding situation. So what exactly happened? Well, the Guadalupe River at Hunt reached its second highest height on record early yesterday, higher than the 1987 flood. How quickly did this happen? Well, the Guadalupe River at Hunt rose around 22 feet in just a few hours, in just 3 hours. Now, a little bit farther away from there, the Guadalupe River at Comfort rose a whopping 26 feet in just 45 minutes. So you see, if you were sleeping and even if you were awake, it was just going to be very difficult to get away from that raging flow of water that had a lot of force and a lot of power behind it. Let's check out where the Guadalupe River at Hunt crested. It was early on the morning of the 4th of July, close to 30 feet. You can see that huge spike there before that water started to recede a bit. So this was a horrific situation. Heavy rain fell. Over a foot of rain has fallen over the last 2 days for parts of the Texas Hill Country. You can see the Burnett area, close to 18 inches of rain showing up there. And we also still have a flash flood emergency for life-threatening widespread flooding still ongoing right now. Kerrville up to around 11 inches to a foot over the last couple of days, and Brady close to 15 inches. So we still have major flooding issues going on across a big chunk of central Texas even right now. You can see that super heavy rain basically falling right over the city of Austin, over towards Round Rock. We're getting in on some heavy rain. You can see that flash flood emergency going on around the Burnett area. So flood watches, flood warnings continue for parts of central Texas. The worst of it is moved out of Kerr County, but of course, flood threat will remain elevated through tonight for this area. So we'll continue to monitor it closely, and we'll be right back after the break.